The leader of opposition raised the issues of abduction, issues of raiding political parties' offices, but also we have an unfinished issue of the implementation of the Supreme Court judgment. I thought that the Attorney General is going to develop appetite to respond to these issues. Because as far as I know, you have partially transmitted files. There are other people who are still crying there before they are in jail, their warrants ended. I thought you will brief Parliament, because Parliament, and I want to thank you, Madam Speaker, on this issue. But I'm raising a procedure. I don't know what's wrong with people who put on military uniforms when they are civilians. Because in the military, there are no procedure. Is that what you want to suggest, Honorable Abe? When others are raising procedure, you wait. Procedure are not raised concurrently. So, Madam Speaker, I want to seek for your indulgence for the Attorney General to lay the fears, not only of those of us who are here, but the country, on issues of abduction, issues of raiding political parties' headquarters, but also issues of getting everybody who has a file, like the Supreme Court ruled, transferred. When are they going to be transferred? You cannot transfer them at leisure.
Honourable members, when I see senior members of Parliament not respecting the rules of procedure, I want to refer you to Rule 2222, reconsideration of a decision of the House. It is out of order to attempt to reconsider a specific question. Remember that question was raised and it was forwarded to Attorney General. Attorney General cannot give you a feedback. We have given him the information and he's going to come back to the House and give you a feedback. He does not, those people are somewhere, he has to go and consult and find. The other day you raised an issue, and I am happy you have come back to say the issue was solved, and that issue will equally be solved. We are here to work for people outside there. We are not working for ourselves. It is to our best interest that everybody is peaceful in this country. Next item.
The reason is that the rules don't want the Speaker to be the one answering on behalf of government.
Honourable Minister.
Honourable Speaker, I have a list that I would like to table here for the attention of the Attorney General. The Supreme Court delivered a ruling saying for matters that had been handled by the court-martial, either free these people or transfer their files to the civilian courts. Some of these files were transferred. There's several other lists, people whose files have not been transferred. Let me table this list, Right Honourable Speaker.
Give it to AG.
It has got names Sechitoleko Yasin Machete, who is on hunger strike, Kavuma Musa, Gibsiwa Abdallah, Kalanzi Sharif, Mwonge Joseph, Jimmy Galukande, Kato Umar, Abdallah Chintu, Mwase Patrick, Agaba Anthony, Angulibo Siraj, Andama Habza, Ida Kasim, and finally, Buga Ratib. These people were remanded by the court-martial, which no longer has authority over them. When are their files going to be transferred to the civilian courts like everybody else? Because their being on remand under the court-martial has got no place in the law. Government and Attorney General, when are these files going to be transferred to the civilian courts? I do lay the list, Right Honourable Speaker. Thank you.
You make the House unruly. You will miss out even to speak what you're supposed to speak. But I want to reiterate this. And this information goes even to the people out there. This madness of parading our old parents. Huh? Order to who? You cannot start parading all the people in the name of compensation. You bring all the people all the way from Teso That can never happen, and it should never happen. And we are looking for the people who are doing that. Next item.
Speaker, the issue of the Right Honourable Prime Minister, because you are saying there is no evidence, police released the statement. And Right Honourable Speaker, I want to agree with the Prime Minister that this Parliament discusses critical issues, and that's why you normally encourage us to be here by 2. By 2 you were in your chair, the Prime Minister came very late. If you respect the issues of Parliament, please come early,
no, she
like
didn't
the rest
come
of
late.
us.
She didn't come late.
Honourable Speaker, she was not here at 2. That's the truth.
She didn't come late.
But let me wrap up with this issue, Right Honourable Speaker.
Honourable members.
Right Honourable Speaker.
Order. Like you said, Parliament has got a lot of work. Whenever we come here, you are dragged, Right Honourable Speaker, into unfounded allegations. Unfounded allegations. And I believe the reason is to make government look dirty. This government has protected Ugandans, and that's why everybody is proud, including investors. Is it in order for the LOP all the time to come here to dirty the government? Yes, that is the intention. In my presence as a leader of government. Are you in order? Honourable members, on Thursday when Lop raised that issue, he said they were thugs, and I made him to withdraw that word. And that's why I was just reminding him that they are not thugs. Now it is security personnel who have got back the people. He said, he alleged that they were thugs. So now he has said it is security personnel who have delivered back, who released the people. That's why I mentioned the thugs. Yes.
I want to appreciate the Honourable Macho. I see he's very smart today.
Which word did you use?
I don't know. Are you sure I mentioned that? Right Honourable NABBANJA? Can you prove that? I'm challenging you to prove that.
Honourable members.
I'm challenging you,
Honourable
Prime
members.
Minister.
Honourable Prime Minister.
You sit down, you even came late. Honourable Speaker, let me proceed.